Find and create shortcuts. There are many helpful shortcuts in NX, for example X, to start the extrude command. But why are there none for the rotate command? Here, you can find out how to create new shortcuts, and list all existing ones. And with that, welcome to Tips and Tricks on LearnNX. A command can be started in NX via the icons or via the menu. For example, the revolve command can be started under Insert, Design Feature. To create a new shortcut, simply press the shortcut Ctrl+1. Be careful, in this mode you can move all icons. Click under Shortcuts on keyboard. Here you will also find under Menu, Insert, Design Feature, the command Revolve. You can now enter a keyboard shortcut for the selected command here. Of course, the shortcut must not yet be assigned. Try different combinations, if necessary. You can delete an entry with Remove. The letter R is sufficient for the rotate command. The keyboard shortcut is now displayed next to the icon, but also under Menu, Insert, Design Feature. And so the Revolve command can now be started with R. The shortcut is also available after the next start. Changes to the user interface are saved in the roles. You can save the change with New User Role. You can also save the change externally. Of course, with a shortcut. Press Ctrl+2 and select New Role under Roles. And the created file can be read on another workstation with Load Role. And a list of all keyboard shortcuts is also quickly created. Press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+1. Under Shortcuts, Keyboard, click Report. The new keyboard shortcut for Rotate is already listed. And at the bottom of the description, I have included a list of helpful keyboard shortcuts to print out the old-fashioned way. If this was helpful for you, then give me a like and support LearnNX with your subscription. And what topic would you like to suggest for tips and tricks? Just write a comment.